love you very much. I like you very much. I am reading Mesmerized by the Moth Woman. It's the series of novellas that are written by different authors, and they all feature a different monster as the love interest, and they're kind of like fated mates and they go on dates. It's so cute, and I'm in a reading slump, so these just really help because they're nice, short, sweet, and steamy. I'm hoping in my next video I can do a tour of my hobby room. We have like a couple of more projects to do in here, and then it should be ready to share everything. I've been working really hard on organizing and getting everything together, and I'm very excited to show it to you. National Grocery Store and I wanted to show you a few of the things that I picked up. And yes, I changed. It was snowing when we left the store and it was like blowing at us. And so like the whole front of my outfit was just covered in snow, which means it got wet with water. So I changed into comfy and warm when I got home. I always love grabbing one of the artisan breads from the store. And today I got jalapeno bread. I'm gonna make grilled cheeses and soup tonight with this. And I think it's just gonna be so good. I love jalapeno. Oh, and instead of having soup with the grilled cheese, I got this leek and potato soup from Knorr. This was from the Ireland section. I am very excited for this. There's a lot of like kitchen and home good items at the store too. And I picked up this pair of the world's softest socks. These are my favorite socks to wear in the winter if I'm wearing boots, because they stay up, they don't fall into the boots, and they're just so comfortable. Okay, a kitchen item I got are these glass bar straws. These are cocktail, like rocks glass length straws. I love drinking like my cocktails at home with those, but I hate having the plastic ones just in a drawer. So I'm very excited for these. It is sumo citrus season, so I had to grab a couple of these babies. One of my ESL students is from Eastern Europe, and he's been feeling very down lately, you know, as you would if you left your country. So I got him some of these little jelly cookies as a little surprise. I love the Japanese crispy peanuts, so I picked up these Chinese ones, and it looks like there's gonna be different flavors. These onion ring chips, these look absolutely phenomenal, and I love anything oniony. A lot of the Chinese chips were like fishy, and like while I don't mind fish, I do prefer onion. I also got these peelable mango candies. I have seen these all over TikTok. They look so yummy, and I really hope they are peelable. Based on the picture, they look like they are. Yes, they look like they are. You wanna hold these? The last thing I got is this white peach oolong flavor jelly. These are always so delicious, and I love a white peach oolong flavor. I think this is gonna be so good. Also grabbed some new bottles of wine. I got a couple of Pinot Grigios that I'm very excited about.